Hello students, today's our topic is trigonometric identities. Okay, first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, we will do questions on basis of this identity. See, I am keeping sin square theta left hand side and setting cos square theta that side. Then what will be sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and if I keep cos square theta here, I am setting sin square theta now. Then what will be cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now come on, for 1 as it is, I am sending tan square theta that side. Tan square theta that side. That is 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. I am keeping tan square theta here. What will be sec square theta minus 1. Okay, now see. I am keeping 1 this side. Then what cot square theta is going here. Then 1 is equal to cos square theta or cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and I am keeping cot square theta here. Then what will be cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These three identities are very important. You have to keep in mind 1, 2 and 3 identity, and these three other that we have seen earlier also, that you know very well. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Then what will be sin theta? Sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Then what is cos theta? Cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. And one more thing, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And what is cot theta? Cos theta upon sin theta. These three are here, you have to keep in mind, and when we start the questions, then you can get easily. We have to use these identities in that questions. Come on the first question. Hello students, now see, first question is express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Okay, you have to convert sin A in terms of cot A. So, and this is given, this we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. You have to keep in mind. Okay, that is why I have written in right hand side for your help. What is given? Sin A. What can I write? See, can I write like this? I am taking square and square root both. Getting? Now, see. What is sin theta? This is 1 upon cosec theta with help of this formula. So here is square, then what will be 1 upon cosec square A. 1 upon cosec square A. Okay, now see down. Square root as it is, we cannot do anything. See here, like what is cosec square A? Now see here, what is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. I am using this. 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 is 1 here. And 1 plus cot square A. This is your answer. First one. Okay. Now I am going to convert sec A. Sec A. What can I write? Taking square and square root of this. Okay, because I know the formulas of its square. What is sec square A? see here. What is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, I am writing here under root 1 plus tan square. So what I am doing, see here. 1. What is tan square A? What is tan A? What is tan A? Tan A is equal to 1 upon 40. Clear? If I send 40 down, this will be what? Tan A equal to 1 upon 40. So I am writing here 1 upon 40 because here is square. Then what will be? 1 upon cot square. Getting? Now I am taking LCM. Cot square A plus 1. This is the conversion of sec A in terms of cot A. Okay, now what is tan A? Third one is your tan A. Tan A, we know that tan A equal to 1 upon cot A. So with help of these identities, you can convert any trigonometric ratio in terms of any one. Okay, now come on the next. Come on the other question. See here, what is sin square 63 plus sin square 27 upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. See here, what is the relation? See here. If I add 63 plus 27, these two are complementary angles. See here, sum of these two is 90 degree. Okay, so what I am doing, I am converting this 63 in terms of, can I write 63 like this? 90 minus 27 degree. Okay, this is your as it is, and cos square 17 is cos square 17 degree. Here is cos square 73. So can I write 90 minus 17 degree? Like this? Okay. Then what will be, see here, sin square 90 minus 27. Sin 90 minus theta is your cos theta. Okay. And cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So here sin 90 minus theta is your cos theta. Theta is your what? So 27 degree. Okay, this sin 27 as it is. Here is sin square 27. Here is also sin square 27. Here cos square 17 degree. Here is cos square 90 minus theta. This will be your sin theta. Then what can I write? Sin square is there, that is by square. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here is also sin square theta, cos square theta is 1. Answer is 1. The concept was sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Same thing we will use here that you know earlier we have done. That is sin 25 degree cos 90 minus 25. I am writing 65 in terms of this. Okay, cos 25 as it is. I am writing 65. I am writing in terms of 90 minus 25 degree. Okay, sin 25 degree is this. Cos 90 minus theta here. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So theta is what? 25. It is your sin 25. Cos 25 degree. Now here sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. This is 2 times, so I can write sin square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree. What is identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. Answer is your 1. 1 is your answer. Come on the next question.